Here's how I got $15,000 worth of industrial machinery for only $840. A few weeks ago, I was scrolling through TikTok while laying in my girlfriend's bed. I saw a video about a government auction website called gsaauctions.gov. Basically, it's a website where you can buy almost anything, from a hospital stretcher to a literal US Army Black Hawk helicopter, and everything in between, because they can't just throw it away. But it's all about luck. After looking around the website for a few minutes, I found a tab called Industrial Machinery. At the top of the page was an auction lot of Delta machine tools from the Long Island National Wildlife Refuge Complex, about 60 miles from where I live in Manhattan. There were 7 tools in total, and they appeared to be in pretty rough condition, but they didn't have a single bid on them. So without any premeditation of what I would do if I got them, I aimlessly placed a bid of $25 on the lot. And as soon as I locked my phone, all these ideas and inspirations started flowing like the dam in the movie Evan Almighty. I immediately thought of a quote my friend Adrian used to say all the time: "Make the videos you want to watch." I've always loved fixing things, or just taking something apart to figure out how it works to feed my dopamine and serotonin deficient brain. The more I thought and talked about it with my friends and girlfriend, the more I wanted to make this train of hyperfixated thought about these tools a reality. With the determination that I would get these tools, I needed to figure out a place to put them. I first thought maybe an outdoor storage unit would work, but the closest ones are in Long Island or New Jersey, and I don't have a vehicle, so that wouldn't work. Then I spoke to Paul Lays, a friend and the CEO of 368. He gave me the green light, because for a few months prior, I had been renovating and setting up a usable workshop in the sprinkler room of 368, so that creators can use it to make and film their own projects. So I couldn't think of a better spot to put the tools for the time being. After a week-long bidding war with 4 other people, I won the auction for the final price of $840. And with the location problem solved, it was time to go pick up the tools. We're doing this.
I could live in there.
Yeah, you could. It was about an hour-and-a-half drive out to the refuge. The weather was really nice and I was really nervous. I didn't know what to expect. I had only seen the tools in a 2-dimensional photo of a single angle, so I was really going into this thing blind. I was really excited seeing the tools for the first time in person. So after a few minutes planning, it was time to get them on the truck. The loading process was going great until we got to loading the last machine, the radial arm saw. Not only does it weigh 750 pounds, there was no way to pick it up with a dolly, so we sought after the only solution that was available, a John Deere tractor with a forklift attachment, which solved the issue of getting it on the truck. What did I do? What did I do?
You were sleepwalking and you bought a bunch of tools. Yay.
You got your gas, put in tow haul mode. So we did it. We're on the way back to 368 now to unload the tools. Problem is, we obviously don't have a forklift at 368. So it's gonna take like multiple men to lift that off and walk down the ramp. Everything else should be pretty easy. I pretty much got it on by myself with the dolly. The tools look a lot better than I expected, to be honest. I think they just need to be wiped down and then tested first, obviously. Then like clean all the cobwebs and this old sawdust off of it. But they'll look brand new when I'm done with them, which is really awesome. So that's where we're at right now. We got about a 54-mile drive back. But that wildlife reserve was absolutely gorgeous. Like, especially during fall with all the colors, it was absolutely beautiful. So we didn't record as much on this camera as I wanted to, because I was focused on safely getting the tools down the stairs and Julie was focused on getting the footage for a TikTok. But the plan is to restore all of these tools to near perfect condition for the use on my channel, and to show you that it doesn't have to cost thousands of dollars to get your own industrial machines to speed up your process of making your own things. The first tool of the restoration series is the drill press, and that'll be posted every Saturday starting next week. But to hold you over, here's a sneak peek of the entire series.
Switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, light up tires in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit it to the sky, change haters on a tirade, talking to the crib.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If this interests you in any way at all, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of the parts of the upcoming video series. I'll catch you in the next one.